In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find proven YouTube topics from Reddit using n8n. Discovering engaging and high-interest topics is essential for growing your YouTube channel, and with the help of n8n, you can automate this process to consistently generate fresh ideas. Let's dive in and see how you can set up your own YouTube topic finder using n8n. First, you'll need to open n8n. This powerful tool allows you to automate various tasks and workflows, making it a great way to streamline your content discovery process. Once you're in, you'll want to begin by creating a new workflow. This is the foundation for your system, so go ahead and click on the New Workflow button. Give it a meaningful name that you'll remember easily. Let's call it Reddit YouTube Topic Finder. Next, it's time to decide how you'd like your workflow to start. You have a few options here: a schedule trigger, a manual trigger, or a webhook. If you want the workflow to automatically start and check Reddit on a regular basis, opt for the schedule trigger. This way, it can operate daily or even hourly to ensure you're continuously discovering new content ideas. Of course, if you prefer to run your workflow manually or trigger it from another application, you can choose one of the other two options. Once the trigger is all set, you'll move on to fetching posts from Reddit. This step involves retrieving posts from various relevant subreddits. There are a couple of ways you can do this: using the Reddit API, an HTTP request node, or even RSS feeds, if the subreddit supports that feature. To get started, consider subreddits like Our Entrepreneur, Our Small Business, Our Corporate Artificial Intelligence, Our Fash, ChatGPT, Our n8n, or RR YouTubers. Depending on your channel's niche, you should definitely include any other communities specific to your area of interest. Extracting popular posts and discussions from these subreddits can provide you with a goldmine of potential video topics. Now that you have your subreddit data flowing in, it's time to implement an AI agent. In this part of the setup, you'll connect an AI agent node, which will help you process and refine the ideas you've gathered. The AI agent can be any chat model of your preference. Among the popular options are OpenAI, Google Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, Grok, or Ollama. This intelligent assistant analyzes the data, identifies trends, and suggests which topics you might want to focus on for your next video. And there you have it. By setting up this automated workflow, you'll always have a steady stream of topic ideas sourced from real discussions and interests on Reddit. This method makes it simpler and faster to stay on top of what's trending and popular in your niche. You're now ready to enrich your YouTube content strategy with authentic and engaging topics. So start exploring and make the most out of your newfound capability to connect with your audience on a deeper level.